foundation. Now we kind of got hijacked at offering time earlier, Matt. It got bad in here earlier. It got real bad in here because I was just trying to raise the offering, and I was wondering why Sister Kayla was just so. I ain't never seen Kayla shout before. I'd never seen it. She always happy. I had never seen her shout, and I'd certainly never seen her do what she did today, because that wasn't a shout. That was somewhere between a shout and a buck. It was like a shuck. She shucked back there a little while. She shout, buck, a little hybrid situation. And she went on to explain what all that bucking was about. She said, Pastor, I've been without a job, and the Lord opened the door and gave me a new job. Oh, God, help me here. Yeah. Then I looked and saw Sister Bobby. Her and her family had been trying to get back, and the Lord opened a door. They were able to sell one house in one state and bought another house in this state back here in Atlanta. And I was shouting on a new house, and then she gave me a real reason to shout. She said, oh, Pastor, I didn't tell you this earlier. We don't have no mortgage. That's our house. We got the deed, Doc. We got the deed. We don't have no mortgage. She said swimming pool in the backyard. 2 acres of land. No mortgage. Okay. 1 pool, 2 acres, 0 mortgage. All right. Just making sure y'all did the math. 1 pool, 2 acres, 0 mortgage. All right. Somebody say same grace. All right, all right. Yeah, all right. 75 minutes, hold on. Not too much. Then somebody sent me. You almost added 5 minutes to this service. Don't do that. Don't do that again, sir. It's very disrespectful. Don't do that again. Hold your horn. Can we have an 80-minute service? Because I feel a shout right there. Yeah! Give me 5 minutes. Y'all go ahead, Matt. Go ahead. I need those that believe you gonna live to see it happen. Yeah! Shout! I need a little help from him, Brother Torrey. Y'all come on in and shout. Clap your hands. Sometimes church don't need a chant. Sometimes you just gotta pick your feet up and give your God a dance. Sometimes dance joy. Whoa. Sometimes you just gotta dance for the victory. Go ahead, Aaron. Woo! Woo! Everybody give God praise. Everybody give God praise. Get my badge back. Woo! This is the last round. Clap, y'all. Wear them tambourines on a Sunday night. Let's go, tambourine corral. This is what Sunday night is for. There it is. There she is. This is what Sunday night is for. Sunday night is for the victorious. I'm here because I want to be. I shout because I want to. Dance because I feel like it. I run because I can. It's Sunday night. And I feel all right. Woo! Go ahead, sis, and run. All right. Israel, I never see the truth. But guess what? God is not through. One more time. You know the devil, what is it? Is a liar. Sing it. I came to tell somebody, though God is. Hey, bless you. Hey, oh Lord. Let's go ahead and sow. Let's go ahead and give. I need everybody that can. I shouted my usher badge off, but I'm in authority on the post tonight. I want everybody that can get a seat of $100. Run up here where I am quickly. Now, hurry up. Do it now. Hurry. Move. Run up here where I am. Pastor, I'm going to stretch my faith. I'm going to sow a same grace seed. You've done for me. Get that seed of 100. Come on now. You've done for me. You've done for me. You, Lord. You've done for me. Y'all didn't hear what I said. I want everybody that can get a seed of $100. Listen to me. I want you to come up here where I am. Move now. Hurry. You coming? Come with me. No. I want you to do this. Come up here. As a sign, I want you to do what your money's about to do. And I want you to come to another level. Hurry up. It ain't just me and Sister Saxon. Elvis, stand with me. I need the rest of y'all. Hurry up. Get a seat of 100. Come now. I just want to open that. Elvis, come on. Thank you. Come on, Pastor. You've done for me. Come on, Karen. Come on to another level. Come on, Rising. Come on to another level. You've done for me. Who else? Pastor, I'm sowing on another level tonight. Come now. Hurry up. I don't have time, y'all. Come on. Hurry up. You've done for me. You've done for me. Come on, Victor. Come on, Victoria. You. You've done for me. Come on, who else? Hurry up. You've done for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where are the last two? Hurry up. I need 2 more. Done for me. Come on. You've done for me. You've done for me. Where are my last two? Where are my last two? Well, last one. Hurry up. Me. You've done for me. You've done for me. Me. You've done for me. You've done for me. I need one more. You've done for me. You've done for me. You've done for me. You've done for me. Are you done for me? You've done for me. Are you done for me? You've done for me. Karen just said to me, she said, hey, Pastor, this is Karen. I said, oh, hey, Karen. She said, if somebody wants to give the 100 and don't have the 100, she said, I got the 100 for you. Now, she said, so you said, this is different. Y'all heard what she said. Come on, Janessa. is good for seed. It's good for dancing. Tell your neighbor, say, this is good crack.